Duralabel. Tough. Tested.
What is GHS? GHS, or Globally Harmonized System, is a system for standardizing how chemicals are labeled and classified across the globe. Why do we need GHS? GHS provides a standardized system to determine how hazardous chemicals can affect health and safety. This will improve understanding of hazards and will lead to safer handling and use of chemicals in the workplace. GHS helps to simplify and increase international trade, improve communication between countries by having a globally recognized system, reduce worker confusion caused by different standards, provide framework for countries without chemical safety systems, and reduce the costs associated with government enforcement and company compliance of multiple standards of different countries. What is the goal of GHS? The overall goal of GHS is to have the same set of hazardous material classification standards used around the world to enhance protection of human health and environmental awareness. Who benefits? Over 5 million workplaces in the U.S. have environments where employees could be exposed to hazardous chemicals. OSHA predicts the implementation of GHS in the U.S. will result in increased safety and health for employees and reduce the numbers of accidents, fatalities, injuries, and illnesses from exposure to hazardous chemicals. How and where does GHS work? During the 3-year transition period in the United States, the current practice can be used, as well as the GHS-aligned HazCom 2012 standard. After the transition period on June 1, 2015, only the GHS-aligned HazCom 2012 standard can be used for substances and mixtures. The one exception to this is distributors may ship products labeled by manufacturers under the old system until December 1, 2015. What does GHS change? In the GHS, material safety data sheets are to be redesigned as safety data sheets, also known as SDSs. The GHS standardizes the content and formatting of SDSs into a strict 16-part document with a set order. Some examples are firefighting measures, disposal consideration, transportation information, and first aid measures. Categorization numbers in GHS are not used on the label. They are only present on the safety data sheet with additional information. Note that the hazard numbers have a reversed order on the new GHS standard. Under the current standard, only the identity of the hazardous chemical, supplier information, and appropriate hazard warning are required. Under the new GHS standard, the following items are required: product identifier, product code, signal word, hazard statement, pictograms, precautionary statement, and supplier information. OSHA's recent decision to adopt elements of the globally harmonized system is part of the HazCom 2012 standard now used in the United States. To find out more about the new HazCom 2012 standards, follow the link below to Duralabel.com. Just fill out the form and get your free copy of Duralabel's Best Practice Guide to HazCom 2012 labeling.